Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Now welcome to this vending machine video again. Volkswagen Beetle, the white Bentley behind, silver Audi RS2 which is very nice, motorcycle with the Raijin Express behind, we have a Ford GT, Eruption, Pagani, the green Bel Air, another Ford GT with the Raijin Express, Manga Tuner, Ford F1 Koenigsegg with the Volkswagen Golf Tune behind, another Ford GT, the Nash Metropolitan, Greenwood Corvette, the D100, Dodge Challenger and the Mickey Mouse behind, and the K truck behind. I don't know what is this. Porsche Safari, the Baja Crawler, Unimog. I may buy the Unimog. Minecraft, Honda NSX, another Pagani, pickup truck, the Bandit. Nothing much interesting. Okay. So this is what I have bought. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.